Hello, travelers. Welcome back to DSV Travel Trip, your go-to channel for exploring the world's most breathtaking destinations. Today, we're taking you to one of Southeast Asia's most enchanting and culturally rich destinations, Bali, the island of the gods. From its iconic rice terraces and sacred temples to its vibrant art scene and world-class beaches, Bali is a paradise that offers something for every type of traveler. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, Bali is a destination that promises unforgettable experiences. In this video, we'll guide you through everything you need to know about Bali, its history, culture, must-visit attractions, hidden gems, and practical travel tips. So, grab your travel journal, and let's dive into the magic of Bali. Bali is an island located in the westernmost part of the Lesser Sunda Islands in Indonesia. It lies between Java to the west and Lombok to the east. Bali is part of the Bali province, which also includes several smaller islands. The island is situated approximately 8 degrees south of the equator, making it a tropical destination known for its warm climate and diverse landscapes, including beaches, volcanic mountains, and lush forests. A glimpse into Bali's rich history and culture. Bali is one of the over 17,000 islands that make up Indonesia, located in the heart of the Indonesian archipelago. While Bali is small in size, spanning just about 5,780 square kilometers, it has a history and cultural depth that rivals much larger nations. The island's history dates back thousands of years, with evidence of early human settlement tracing back to prehistoric times. However, it was during the Hindu-Javanese influence in the 9th century that Bali truly began to flourish. Hinduism became deeply rooted in the island's culture, and today, Bali remains predominantly Hindu, in contrast to the largely Muslim population of Indonesia. Balinese Hinduism is unique, blending Hindu traditions with animistic beliefs and ancestor worship. This spiritual richness is reflected in Bali's temples, ceremonies, and daily rituals. Walking through the streets, you'll notice small offerings called kanang sari, beautifully crafted baskets filled with flowers, rice, and incense, placed in front of homes and businesses as a gesture of gratitude to the gods. Bali's culture extends beyond religion to its vibrant art scene. The island is renowned for its traditional dance, intricate wood carvings, and colorful paintings. Each artistic expression tells a story, often rooted in mythology or local folklore. Must-visit attractions in Bali. Bali is a treasure trove of natural and cultural wonders. Here are some must-visit spots that should be on your itinerary. Ubud, the cultural heart of Bali. Ubud is a haven for art and culture enthusiasts. Begin your journey at the sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary, home to hundreds of playful long-tailed macaques. This lush jungle area is not only a wildlife sanctuary but also a spiritual site with ancient temples hidden within the forest. Art lovers will enjoy exploring the Ubud Art Market, where you can find handcrafted souvenirs, jewelry, and textiles. For a deeper dive into Balinese art, visit the Agung Rai Museum of Art, ARMA, which showcases a stunning collection of traditional and contemporary works. Iconic Tigalalong Rice Terraces, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that exemplifies Bali's ingenious Subak irrigation system. Tanah Lot Temple. One of Bali's most photographed landmarks, Tanah Lot is a sea temple perched on a rocky outcrop surrounded by crashing waves. Visit during sunset for breathtaking views and an almost mystical atmosphere. Mount Badar, a sunrise trekking adventure. For adventure seekers, a trek up Mount Badar is a must. Rising early to hike this active volcano rewards you with a stunning sunrise over Bali, with panoramic views of Lake Badar and the surrounding landscape. Seminyak and Kuta beaches. If you're looking for vibrant nightlife and luxury beachfront resorts, Seminyak is the place to be. For those seeking a more laid-back vibe, Kuta Beach offers excellent surfing opportunities and lively beach bars. Uluwatu Temple. Perched on a cliff overlooking the Indian Ocean, Uluwatu Temple is as much a feast for the eyes as it is a spiritual site. Stick around for the evening Kecha Fire dance performance, a traditional Balinese dance set against the backdrop of a mesmerizing sunset. Hidden gems to discover. While Bali's popular attractions are incredible, the island also has hidden gems that are worth exploring. Sekumpul Waterfall. Considered one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Bali, Sekumpul offers a serene escape into nature. Surrounded by lush greenery, the journey to the falls includes a scenic trek that's well worth the effort. Nusa Penida. Just a short boat ride from Bali, this island boasts dramatic cliffs, crystal clear waters, and the famous Keling King Beach, often referred to as the T-Rex Beach for its unique rock formation. Sideman Valley. For a tranquil retreat away from the crowds, Sideman Valley offers picturesque rice fields, traditional villages, and opportunities for yoga and meditation. More stunning attractions. Besaki Temple, the Mother Temple of Bali. Nestled on the slopes of Mount Agung, Besakih Temple is the largest and holiest temple complex in Bali. With its intricate architecture and spiritual significance, visiting Besakih offers a glimpse into Bali's religious traditions. Lavina Beach, located in northern Bali, Lavina Beach is famous for its calm waters and dolphin watching tours. Early morning boat rides provide a magical experience as you watch playful dolphins against the backdrop of a serene sunrise. Tirta Empul Temple, known for its sacred spring water, Tirta Empul Temple is a place of purification and healing. Visitors can partake in the spiritual bathing ritual, which involves stepping into a series of fountains to cleanse the body and soul. Jidala Awi Rice Terraces, for a less crowded alternative to Tiglalong, head to Jidala Awi Rice Terraces. This expansive area offers breathtaking views of lush green rice paddies stretching as far as the eye can see. Bali's culinary delights. No trip to Bali is complete without indulging in its rich culinary offerings. The island's cuisine is a delightful mix of flavors, spices, and fresh ingredients. Babi guling, suckling pig, a traditional Balinese dish often served during ceremonies. The pork is seasoned with a blend of spices and roasted to perfection. Nasi goreng, Indonesia's beloved fried rice dish, often topped with a fried egg and accompanied by sambal chili paste. Satay, skewered and grilled meat served with a flavorful peanut sauce. For a unique dining experience, consider visiting one of Bali's many warungs, family-owned eateries, where you can enjoy authentic Balinese dishes at affordable prices. Practical tips for visiting Bali. To make the most of your Bali adventure, keep these tips in mind. When to visit. Bali is a year-round destination, but the best time to visit is during the dry season, from April to October. This period offers sunny days and pleasant weather, ideal for outdoor activities. Transportation. Renting a scooter is a popular and convenient way to explore the island, but always wear a helmet and be cautious on busy roads. Alternatively, hire a private driver for a hassle-free experience. Respect local customs. When visiting Bali, it's essential to respect local customs to ensure a harmonious experience and show appreciation for the island's rich cultural heritage. Here are some key guidelines to keep in mind. Dress modestly. In public places, especially sacred sites like temples, it's important to dress modestly. This means covering your shoulders and knees. Sarongs and sashes are often required when entering temples and are sometimes provided on site. Use the right hand. In Balinese culture, the right hand is considered clean and is used for activities such as eating, giving, and receiving items. Avoid using your left hand for these actions, as it's deemed impolite. Avoid pointing. Pointing directly at people or objects can be considered rude. If you need to indicate something, use your whole hand or thumb instead. Remove shoes. When entering someone's home or certain establishments, it's customary to remove your shoes. Look for signs or follow the host's lead. Respect ceremonial processions. You may encounter religious ceremonies or processions during your stay. It's respectful to observe quietly and avoid disrupting the proceedings. Taking photos is generally acceptable, but always ask for permission first. Temple etiquette. When visiting temples, ensure you're appropriately dressed, and refrain from climbing on sacred structures. Women who are menstruating are traditionally advised not to enter temples. Public displays of affection. While holding hands is acceptable, more intimate displays of affection are frowned upon in public settings. Environmental respect. Bali places great importance on environmental conservation. Dispose of trash properly, avoid using single-use plastics, and participate in local sustainability efforts when possible. By following these customs, you'll show respect for Balinese traditions and enhance your travel experience, fostering positive interactions with the local community. Bali is a destination that captivates the hearts of travelers with its stunning landscapes, rich culture, and warm hospitality. From the artistic hub of Ubud and the serene temples of Tanah Lot and Uluwatu to the adventurous treks up Mount Batur and the tranquil beaches of Lavina, there's something for everyone on this enchanting island. As you plan your trip, remember to respect local customs, embrace the diverse experiences Bali offers, and immerse yourself fully in the island's unique charm. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural enrichment, Bali promises memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Bali. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to DSV Travel Trip, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your Bali experiences or any questions you have in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy travels.